If you received a PPP loan of $50,000 or less, the SBA just made your PPP forgiveness process a lot easier. That's what we're going to talk about in this video. Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We are an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. If you're new to this channel, we provide the best tax and accounting strategies for small business owners so they can achieve their financial goals. Although for the last couple of months, we have been concentrating in providing the most current and correct information regarding the SBA loans like the PPP and the EIDL loan programs. Now today is October 16th, and we always emphasize the date of the recording of any video regarding PPP loans because this program has been constantly changing. So there may be some information that we discuss in this video that may change as soon as tomorrow. That's the importance of subscribing to our channel, so that way you always have the most current and correct information regarding these loans. Now basically the SBA on October 8th released a new PPP forgiveness application form. It is called the 3508S. This form is for PPP loans of $50,000 or less. This form is going to make the process a lot easier for self-employed, independent contractors, and sole proprietors who got $50,000 or less. And we're going to show you why and how the process is going to be a lot easier now for you. It also is going to make the process of PPP forgiveness a lot easier for S corporations and C corporations, and we're going to show you in detail why it's easier in this video. Now, important to note that this is not automatic forgiveness. Unfortunately, we've seen a couple of videos where other YouTube channels are saying that this is an automatic forgiveness of $50,000, and it is not. You still have to do some calculations, you still have to send in some documentation, but the process is a lot easier compared to the previous form that was available from the SBA. Now with this new form, this means that now we have not one, not two, but we have three different PPP loan forgiveness application forms. Depending on your case, you are going to use one of these forms. Now, if you want to learn which form you have to use and where to use it, we did a video called 3 PPP forgiveness forms, which one to use. You can see it on this link on top, or we're going to put a link on the description below. In this video, we go over each form and which business and what case needs to use that form. Okay. Now the form 3508S, which is the new form, is going to make the process a lot simpler for self-employed, independent contractors, and sole proprietorships and single members LLC. So basically any business that files under their Schedule C. Well, people are asking us, well, what's the difference between the 3508S form, which is the new one, and the prior 3508EZ form, which in itself was pretty easy? Well, the S form is a lot simpler and a lot faster to fill out. Let's take a look. This is the 3508EZ form. It was pretty simple for self-employed as well, but here, remember, you needed to show your covered period, and you had to do all these calculations. Okay, now compare that to the new 3508S form. You do not have to show your covered period. There's only one line that you need to do a calculation instead of several, and that's it. So basically, for self-employed, you don't have to specify the 8 or 24 week covered period, and there's a lot less calculations. Now, if you want to learn how to fill out the 3508S form as a self-employed, independent contractor, single member LLC, we did do a video called Step-by-Step PPP Loan Forgiveness for Self-Employed. It's a 25-minute long video, but we take you step by step how to fill out this form, where to send it, how to send it. So you can watch this video on the link here below, or there's a link in the description of this video. Now, before we discuss why the 3508S form is going to make the PPP forgiveness process a lot simpler for S Corps and C Corps, if you're getting value out of this video, please like this video, share it with other business owners that can take advantage of this information as well. Also, in the comments section below, we would appreciate if you answer this question: is your bank already accepting forgiveness applications, and what's the name of your bank? Please answer this question in the comments below. Thank you. Now, the 3508S form is going to make the process a lot simpler for PPP forgiveness for C Corps and S Corps. Remember, if your business files taxes with Form 1120 or 1120S, that means that you're a C Corp or an S Corp. Once again, there's a lot less calculations. Instead of having to fill out all the other lines with the easy form, there's only one line that you need to do calculations for if you are a C Corp or an S Corp with the new 3508S form. Now, the best, and this is awesome news for C Corps and S Corps, is that now you're going to be exempt from reduction of loan forgiveness based on reduction in employees or reduction in salaries and wages. If you remember the PPP loan rules, if you lowered the amount of employees and if you lowered your wages and salaries to your employees, the PPP loan amount that was going to be forgiven was going to be reduced. With the new 3508S form, you are exempt from this PPP loan forgiveness reduction. So this is very good news for C Corps and S Corporation owners who got PPP loan $50,000 or less, because now they don't have to worry about the FTE reduction in loan forgiveness. You just have to show that you use the funds at least 60% for payroll, which if you had 24 weeks to use them, you can show that you use the PPP loan 100% for payroll and also achieve 100% forgiveness, or that you use the funds up to 40% for eligible non-payroll expenses. Now, if you're an owner of a C Corp or an S Corp and you want to know step by step how to fill out the 3508S form for PPP loan forgiveness, we did a video where we show you step by step on how to fill out the new 3508S form. You can watch the video on the link below, or there's a link in the description below. Okay? Now, even though the process is a lot easier, there are still some documentation that you need to submit with the 3508S form. Depending on your case, you are going to have to turn in different types of documentation, but watch our step-by-step instructional videos, where there we will tell you exactly what documentation you need to send in and submit with your new 3508S PPP forgiveness form. Now, thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel. Also click the little bell so that way you get notified whenever we upload new videos, and also watch this suggested video where we tell you how the PPP loan is going to affect your business taxes. Thank you for watching, and God bless you. Bye.